What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today it is an amazing day in beautiful sunny San Diego. We are getting ready to drop off our C8 to get all of the custom titanium pie cut exhausts fabricated, welded. All the R&D process has been done already, and we're getting ready to put it on. It's gonna sound amazing, it's gonna look amazing. It's completely TIG welded, back purged. It has a nice blue coloring to it. The exhaust is just absolutely beautiful. We expect it to weigh around 7 pounds. It adds around 20 horsepower, and it's just going to be the hottest thing on the market for the C8. If you're looking for a true piece of artwork to put on the back of your car, this is the exhaust that you're going to want. Stay tuned. What's up guys, super excited. We have our new titanium exhaust system on the C8 Corvette. The car is bone stock except for our titanium exhaust. Have a listen, let me know what you think. I think it sounds amazing. It's a lot louder than our stainless exhaust, and it only weighs a couple pounds, so you have maximum weight reduction, maximum sound. It's amazing. Watch the video, let me know what you think.